Bia Kamal Kanwar Online TV to con ka breaking news re wicha ka Jonglei State boor ban racha me ban jalinkel ken yam baja lat ka thoknath ka kora baja lat ka thok English ban ri ka dan chitok boor ban jalinka jan gwasame ka do badan an chitok ja mi jira ma jidit shangan yam ka ji jen shangan dan jig Nuer Online TV channel go jen wo jin der subscribe kia deri je nywaka ne ko kien an ler ban ling gwasame ka jan tam rati ko raja rega dan wachi togre bor name breaking news chala do nana gwasa la day maini etetin re wich ka Jonglei State bor ke ka meg re wich bor ko la megzen mäcni ke megzen dan te daten en wala ka shanga wero ka pairo ron kine dangro widi jan dangro de di chala do jan chamar ajan ta kamaja di de nen yana me gwasame ana amma janen yana me gwasame ajan maja dan en ajan gwadan te megzen mäcni teten ajan che wangone ano kaman chalat gwasame ramadan la kur ki governor Jonglei State atong kol manyang ano the acting governor ajana nena ajana palarudun pin ano ka kwi den tin ditin Shalington mar boor town ano gwad mi shi local army armory ki megzen men mata mai tiketin gwad mi sha waaŋ kwai kama nana waaŋ ga do ba shala rija gwasme duno jan cha mar long chimnen yana mo ke cha didalong te ka mar didalong ti Shalington shinedi ngwan chi dwal kama nana shoda laden winimi no shelat gwasme nene atong ke governor acting governor ntammentere wejala kuwer ntama atong kolma nyanga jene nene ajani en jow ndiden shaling ajow menyi la tok ajow menyi no kaman to go bedor ba mar alama mar ga jen magzen menyi ma gwasme kamalwal shalaro nena kamalwal shat military barrack no mitie ke mite ke kilometer kel ke source of boor are boor wichimi ajane jan gwad dan mar majamatin men shaling ajan tokde dundo telemi lare ke telemi chitwo du chi wang ne de meni kamalwal shat military barrack chara jamo che jokwen kone de ngwan temere wijen winami dierna ka do badanan chinamo che marka je ko jen che marka mar mudi de long lo chene de ngwan che ga mo ka dier ke che mo ka dwal ko de mandan le ro de jangach no baje kwen ya ka to ka dana shan non kon ka ja ka to English ka do brana ko ka ja ban me bana je linkel ko gor ko na bana je link na was me the acting governor of Jonglei State, Atong Kwalmanyang, has called for calm following report of heavy gunfire in Boton after an explosion at a local armory. Atong confirmed that the loud sound of gunfire were caused by explosion at the Malwal Shat military barrack, located approximately 1 kilometer south of Boor. The heavy gunfire heard in Jonglei State is a result of an explosion at the armory in the Malwal Shad military barracks, Atong said. The acting governor reassured residents that authorities are managing the situation and emphasized there is no immediate threat. The situation is under control and there's no cause for alarm, she said, urging the community to remain calm and avoid panic. The explosion has caused fear and panic in Boor, with many residents fleeing to nearby bush for safety. The cause of the explosion remains unclear. This is not the first incident involving the armory in Boor. In March of last year, a fire broke out at the same facility, prompting civil society activists to call for its relocation to prevent potential harm to civilians. So agenda na chitok na me wachi yan chang nyam no be waaŋ ke ba mar cha kon mar me tar ka do brana shalat ke je me cha mar me tar ka pai diok wachu ni rungwan me na dwala long ana gwada dan chala do don te ke lizard ke gain ke tan mi den gwada mo ke ror mi ci de menni shaka wo nyot tintere jemi wajane dane tok obe ba mar entama na me mi mer mo kwai ke je kantara kan ngach jen le dana gorde kon nyakel mɛkdhɛn menni na me mentere wich boor ka Jonglei state jen ci marone ani biate ke mal ban yo jum do dien bye bye